Nakatingin sa screen, gray and blue. Infintic Hot 30 play, anong totoo? Sabi nila, wala daw tong eSIM. Hardware is the limit, di ba ang dilim? Sana digital na lang lahat. No need for trays, no need for the cut. ESM dreams, a budget phone. Feeling so alone, feeling so connected, pero still alone. Walang slot, walang signal, just a static. Bakit may physical logic? Hardware barrier, di mo ma-override. Hardware barrier, di mo ma-override. Hahanap ng SIM try, ejector pin. Sa physical world pa rin ako deep in. Parang love life ko, need ng effort. Hindi lang basta QR code na may support. Pero okay lang, dual SIM naman to. Bawat network may kuwento sa'yo. Register mo na, wag mong kalimutan. Physical SIM man o digital na hangganan. ID at pangalan for the law and the light. Kahit ang puso ko, ESFM ready tonight. ESM dreams, a budget phone. Feeling so alone, feeling so connected, pero still alone. Walang slot, walang signal, just a static. Bakit may physical logic? Hardware